In this video I will show you how to create a custom widget for the subtitle. Make a new folder in the content browser and name it UI. Then make another folder inside it and name it WB_dialog. Just follow the video to do as the same as I do. Every element should be inside the overlap widget. Resize it and set the anchors point in the center down. Add a horizontal box into overlap and add 3 texts into horizontal box. First text for the speaker's name. The second one is used to only show a space, colon space. And the third one for dialog text. Also change the overlap horizontal alignment to the center and make sure size to content checkbox is enabled. Go to the graph and add a custom event to fill text elements with parameters. Add 2 parameters. First one for the speaker name and the second one for the dialog text. For the visual purpose, we can make a new animation that fades in the text elements. Also change the speaker color to make it more beautiful. Go back to the level blueprint and after spawn sound attached node, add a new node that called create widget. Assign the widget that we have already made it and get player controller for owning player. Then call add to viewport to display widget on the screen. And in the final step only call the update dialog box event. Compile the blueprint and play the game. You see, you have both subtitles. Go to project setting and enable subtitles forced off checkbox to display built-in subtitle system. Play it again. Press the trigger box
Just a simple monologue.
and see we have only our custom subtitle widget in the screen. In the next part, we will cover how to get the subtitle text from the sound file dynamically.